amazing people. It's Miss Berger.
And Miss Lamb.
And today we're going to talk about undefined slope.
Ooh. So let's look at our learning target. I can determine slope, which we have as the m in our equation, as a rate of change.
So what is this word, slope, you speak of, Miss Lamb? What is this slope thing?
Well, slope is the rate of change.
Ooh, we should write that down.
Of a line. It's very mathy.
It's okay, because they're writing while we're writing.
Okay, that's true.
Rate of change of a line.
Of a line. But I kind of think, what is slope in the real world?
Ooh.
So,
there's ski slopes.
Ski slopes. So
Like
when you're
down a mountain.
and there's bunny hill slopes when they're not quite
Not
as
as steep.
And
And then there's the expert slope that's like super.
and then there's these skateboard slopes, like when they're doing skateboarding.
It's true.
And the ramps, you know, the rate at which the steeper the slope, the faster they go. So
Yeah.
that's kind of when I think of slope, that's what I start with. What does it mean in the real world?
That is true. And slope can be shown on a coordinate plane. So when we're graphing a line on the coordinate plane, the slope is kind of that rate of change, like how steep or shallow that line really is.
And I like the fact that you said the word line, because slopes, we're not doing the curvy things.
Not yet.
Not
yeah,
yet.
we're not doing those curvy things yet. We're just going to do those straight lines. That's right. Yeah. So slope, rate of change. So there are 4 types of slope we're going to show you, right? We have a positive slope, and since we read from left to right, as you move from left to right with a positive slope, your line is going up, right? Positive, up. Oops. Well,
Now we're looking at negative slope, and as we read from left to right, the line is going down.
Right? So left to right is how we read in the Americas. So if it is going down, we have a negative slope, and if it was going up, we have that positive slope. But what if we have a line that's just straight across?
That's like walking down the hallway.
Yeah, we're just moving straight. We don't really have a rate of change, right? There's no incline.
Yeah, the line is horizontal, nothing is changing, just going straight along the hallway.
So we have a slope of 0. Like I get 0 things done if I'm just laying on my bed.
There you go. There you
0
go.
things.
0.
Nothing.
And what if the line's going the other direction?
If we have that vertical line, what happens?
So the x is constant and the y is changing. That's called undefined. We can't say it's 0 slope because 0 slope is a line going straight across. But when you have a straight up and down, there is no slope, but it's not 0, it's undefined.
Yeah.
Because there is no change, it's just a straight up and down line.
That's right. So let's recap, right? So up and down vertically, undefined. If we're going from left to right, moving up, we have a positive slope. If from left to right we're going down, we have a negative slope. And if we're just going kind of a line side to side, we have a 0 slope. So those are the 4 types you have to be able to identify. Well, what do we do now? What an easy video. So now there are notes. There's not a second video. There's notes under this link, so you can review the notes for today.